the most dangerous things on the planet. The White Dragon. The mountain sheds its winter coat, and the avalanche begins not as a slide, but as a fracture. A single weak layer beneath the surface gives way, and billions of snow crystals are set in motion. It can be triggered by a whisper, the wake of a new snowfall, a skier's turn, a sudden thaw. Once unleashed, it flows with the force of a freight train. Your first instinct must be to escape its path. Move laterally. If you cannot outrun it, find an anchor, a rock outcrop, a sturdy tree,